everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to generate 3D human models just in a single one click using this amazing add-on. This add-on is called MPFP2 add-on. This version is alpha version, so it is created and designed by the Make Human community. So this version that I'm gonna be using is released in 2022. So all we should talk about in this add-on is all features are amazing and great. So there is one click create functionality, so hit M to show this side panel. As shown here, we have the panel of this add-on. We have, if you want to create a new human depending on the phenotype from scratch, for example, we have a lot of features, characteristics for human: gender, age, muscle, weight, height, proportions, and so on. Also, you can play around with some factors and some features over there if you want to create, and click on it to create human. So just wait some seconds in order to create and generate a human 3D human model as shown in our tutorial. And as you can see, this add-on is from Make Human community, so is try to generate this human as shown in our video. Rotate just a tiny bit, and as you can see in our tutorial, that's amazing and great. Just in one single click you can generate a 3D human model. This add-on is totally free. It's amazing and you can get it. I will leave the link in description if you want to. So modeling of the body shape can be done directly in Blender. Also, we have also the MHM files. If you want to get it from Make Human, import human from the Make Human software. This amazing software, I have talked about that in the previous videos. You can check them out. When creating characters, embedded targets are added as shape keys. Also, you have assets if you want to play around with that. Just I'm gonna be hiding that. Want to import human, you can use default or some settings over there. Match character name. Let's hide it. If you want to manage assets, you can also click on human presets and import some imported presets in order to make such human. So skin material presets, also you can apply selected presets. You have eye material presets as shown here. The model, you can change things, check some important factors. Also we have the macro details for the human. You can change so the age if you want. Can also play around this gun, and you can see in the real time settings over there. I have over there some parts of the body of this human. Arms, for example, you can drag this slider in order to set to rotate it like this. And we have also the upper arm scale horizontal. So, and you can change the dimensions and play around with all those factors in order to make your model. So we have for the breast, if you want to change the buttocks, also the cheek, the chin, ears, also if you want change the size of ears, and so on for this amazing add-on. And you can try it, you can get it. It's amazing add-on to generate 3D human and add in some assets and clothes, making clothes for this human. I think this is pretty amazing. And that's it for the introduction of this add-on. See you in next tutorials to give you a lot of detail for this add-on. Thanks for watching.